Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Minds, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who crave speed, innovation, and jaw-dropping performance. Today, we have something truly special, something that redefines hybrid supercars and pushes the limits of engineering. This is the brand new 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder, a machine built for those who demand the absolute best in performance, technology, and luxury. Stick around, because what you're about to see will leave you in awe. The Porsche 918 Spyder has always been a legend, and now it's back with a vengeance. This hypercar fuses cutting-edge hybrid technology with Porsche's signature racing DNA, delivering a breathtaking driving experience that is nothing short of spectacular. Under the hood, it packs a newly developed 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, derived from Porsche's Le Mans winning race cars. This beast alone produces over 600 horsepower, but that's just the beginning. Paired with 3 high-performance electric motors, the combined output skyrockets to a mind-blowing 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful hybrid hypercars ever created. Performance is nothing short of electrifying. The new Porsche 918 Spyder rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds, shaving off precious time from its predecessor. It demolishes the quarter mile in under 9 seconds, rivaling even the most hardcore track-focused hypercars. Thanks to its all-wheel drive system and Porsche's cutting-edge torque vectoring technology, this car delivers razor-sharp handling with unparalleled grip, allowing you to carve through corners with surgical precision. The hybrid system isn't just about power. Porsche has equipped this masterpiece with an advanced regenerative braking system and an all-new lightweight battery pack that provides an impressive electric-only range of over 40 miles. That means you can cruise through city streets in complete silence or unleash its full fury on the track with instant electric torque that pins you to the seat. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in making this machine a true track monster. The active aero package includes an adaptive rear wing, dynamic front air flaps, and a fully optimized underbody, all working together to maximize downforce and minimize drag. At high speeds, the car remains glued to the road, giving you confidence whether you're attacking corners or blasting down the straightaway. Step inside, and you're greeted by a futuristic yet driver-focused cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury and performance. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque keeps weight to a minimum while ensuring maximum rigidity for better handling. The interior features premium Alcantara, fine leather, and a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable displays that provide real-time performance data. Porsche's latest infotainment system is seamlessly integrated, offering cutting-edge connectivity, voice control, and an intuitive touchscreen interface. What about the sound? That iconic V8 engine screams to over 9,000 RPM, producing an intoxicating exhaust note that sends chills down your spine. With a re-engineered titanium exhaust system, the acoustics are sharper, rawer, and even more aggressive, making every throttle input a symphony of performance. Now, let's talk exclusivity. Porsche is only producing a limited number of these hypercars, making the new 918 Spyder an ultra-rare collector's piece. If you want to get your hands on one, you better act fast because these machines will sell out before you can even blink. The price tag? Expect it to be well over $1 million, but for what you're getting, it's worth every single penny. This is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's Porsche's way of showing the world that hybrid technology doesn't mean sacrificing performance, but rather enhancing it to new levels. The new Porsche 918 Spyder is the perfect blend of mind-blowing speed, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping design. If you love cars as much as we do, hit that like button, subscribe to Motor Minds, and let us know in the comments what you think about this beast. Would you take this over a Bugatti or a Ferrari? Let's talk about it. Stay tuned because we have more insane content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive fast, stay safe, and keep the passion alive.